everybody, welcome back from art. Did you guys have lots of fun? Yeah? You guys made shapes and colored them? That's so cool. Great, okay, let's go ahead and gather on the carpet next to our math partners, please. Today we are going to find multiple combinations. This was a bonus word on one of our vocab quizzes not too long ago. So we're going to find multiple combinations. So for example, a penny, 5 of them is equal to a nickel. Or you could do how many, I don't want to give too much away because we're going to do a little pre-lesson. But you're just going to find different ways to make a certain number. Okay, and I'll readdress that in a moment. So of coins that equal a given amount, which is kind of what I was just explaining. So for example, I'll go ahead and give you 2 quarters, this is a little hint, may equal 50 cents, or 5 dimes can equal 50 cents as well. Yeah, pretty cool. So what our little quick assessment is that Miss Madison, I'm gonna go ahead and have her pass out. Here you go, Miss Madison, thank you so much. So it is just quick 4 questions. You're going to identify what you think each coin is, or if you already know. These are our options. We have a penny, a nickel, a dime, and a quarter. So those will go next to the coin. You can write those out. And then the value, which is going to be a number. So it's going to be between 1 and 99. So I'm just going to see how much you guys already know. And then I'm going to introduce our lesson with a fun little music video, and we're going to sing along to it. We're going to watch it twice and sing along the second time to the chorus. And I will tell you when the chorus is. Oh, you guys learned a little bit about that music? That's awesome. That makes me happy. Okay. And then we also have a fun little activity coming up after our video.
One penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them.
So this is our chorus that we'll be singing next time together.
1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents. 5 pennies make a nickel. In cents it's worth 5. 5 nickels make 10 cents. That means they're worth a dime. A quarter's 25 pennies. But let's make it shorter. 2 dimes and a nickel also equal a quarter. I bought 1 delicious dill pickle.
This is an example.
For 2 dimes, a quarter, and a nickel. To find out how much I spent, I counted them up cent by cent. I started with a quarter, it was worth 25 cents. Each dime was worth 10, so I added both of them. Got 35, 45. And then there was a nickel. I added 5 and paid 50 cents for the pickle. 1 penny is worth 1 cent.
Okay, this is our chorus that we'll be singing next time.
1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents. I bought an ice cream in the summertime with 4 pennies, 3 quarters, and a dime. The ice cream lady looked in silence, and then she counted up my cents. She counted 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. Then she added the dime. The 10 cents made 85, and the 4 pennies left made it 89. So it was 89 cents for the ice cream. I ate until my shirt popped at the seam. 1 penny is worth 1
Chorus.
cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents.
On the penny is the 16th president, Abraham Lincoln. He wrote the Gettysburg Address and the Emancipation Proclamation. The 3rd president.
So we're actually going to go ahead and stop there, and we are just going to watch it one more time, and we are going to sing the chorus. So I'll tell you when. All right, ready? Let's go ahead and all stand up. Perfect. All right, here we go.
1 penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents. 5 pennies make a nickel. In cents it's worth 5. 2 nickels make 10 cents. That means they're worth a dime. A quarter's 25 pennies. But let's make it shorter. 2 dimes and a nickel also equal a quarter.
Okay, we're about to go again after this example.
One delicious dill pickle for 2 dimes, a quarter, and a nickel. To find out how much I spent, I counted them up cent by cent. I started with a quarter, it was worth 25 cents. Each dime was worth 10, so I added both of them. Got 35, 45. And then there was a nickel. I added 5 and paid 50 cents for the pickle. 1 penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents.
Good job. I think we only got one more time.
Ice cream in the summertime with 4 pennies, 3 quarters.
Thank you guys for being great
The ice
participants.
cream lady looked in silence, and then she counted up my cents. She counted 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. Then she added the dime. The 10 cents made 85, and the 4 pennies left made it 89. So it was 89 cents for the ice cream. I ate until my shirt popped at the seam. 1 penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents.
On the penny is the 16th president, Abraham.
Good job. How did we like that video? How did we like that video? Was there anything specific you guys liked about it? Yes, Jacob? You liked that it was catchy. See, that's what I really was hoping for you guys. I was hoping that the chorus would kind of stick in your head. So, and that, yes, it did, I bet it did help with knowing the value. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to call on someone and I need each person to tell me how much each is worth. So go ahead and raise your hand if you want to tell me how much a penny is worth. How many cents? Yes, Madison? 1! Correct. Good job. So I'm going to write 1. And then this is a cent sign. Okay, anybody want to do nickel? Nickel. Yes, Jackson? 5. Good job. All right, what about a dime? Aubrey, you were quick to raise your hand. Oh, now you're overthinking. You're thinking, okay. Okay, so you think it's either 25 or 10. You're on the right track. 10. Okay, so let me tell you that the biggest coin, looking at it live in person, the biggest coin is a quarter, and it's also worth the most. Does that help? 25 is a quarter. I'll go ahead. I'll let you do both. Yeah. 25. And then the smallest, but here's the tricky part. The dime is the smallest, but it does not have the least amount of cents. Crazy. It is crazy. I think that is incorrect. That it should not be like that. Yeah. And you're right. 10 cents was the dime. So this is going to be very important to know, and I will leave this up as reference, of course, to know for our next activity. And we also are going to have to be able to add. That we can reach our learning target of finding multiple combinations of coins to equal a given amount. So that brings us into our partner game. You guys are with your math buddies already, partnered up, or sitting next to them. And I'm going to demonstrate our game that we are playing today. Our game that we are playing is called Race to $1. And we are each going to have a paper clip and a pencil. See how I'm doing it? Great. So, as everyone's paper will say, I'm going to have Miss Madison go ahead and pass those out real quick, so we can all see the papers together. Okay, I'm going to read with you guys. Take turns spinning a paper clip with your pencil and add up the coins that you land on. Try to be the first person to make $1. I have the dollar written on the board here, and it is worth 100 cents. That is a lot of cents. And what is great is Miss Payton has actually printed out a worksheet for you to keep track on of your pennies and your nickels and your dimes and your quarters. And then whenever you get to $1, you'll just be super excited and put a star on it or something. So what we're going to do is you're going to have your pencil or pen or whatever here. And whoopsies. I'm going to have partner 1. You guys know which one is number 1. Just go ahead and go first. Spin. And they will land on a certain amount. So I'm going to spin. So I got to start over. Start over, if that means if I had coins, I would just have to forget about them and start all over. So if I had 5 pennies, I'm going to have to start over. And I'm not going to be winning the race to $1. So you will not spin again, and you'll let the other person have their turn. So this time I got 2 pennies and a dime. So I would write, I'm going to do tally marks. I know we've done those in the past. So tally marks, and then once you get to 5, cross it off. Then while you're playing the game, this is the tricky part. You're going to have to keep count. So can anybody tell me how much I have right now? Yes, Gracie? 12 cents, because we know a dime is worth 10, a penny is worth 1, and a quarter is worth 25. And even writing what I just wrote on my paper might help you. And then if you need to, like on the edge of your paper, you can also write like 12. And then you can just keep adding from there. So we have different options here, and you're just going to keep going until you reach at least $1. If you go a little over $1, no biggie. If you're at 99 cents, gotta keep going. Or if you're at 97 cents or 96 cents, say you get these 3 pennies, you gotta spend again. Gotta spend again, because that is only 99 cents. So, can everybody show me a big thumbs up if you understand? Thumbs up, we get it. Miss Payton, you need to explain the whole thing again? Or, yeah, like, no, just, I'm out. I don't even know what a penny is. I'm seeing mostly thumbs up. I know we have talked a little bit about this before, obviously. But now we're just working with combinations. So, again, I actually did not have Miss Madison pass this paper out, so I'm going to have her pass those out. Thank you so much for working with me, girl. So, I'm going to let you guys have about, I'm hoping it should not take more than 10 minutes. And then we will meet back on the carpet and talk about how we are going to review this tomorrow individually. All right, guys, you guys did so great. I'm glad that I could come around and help you guys a little bit and help you add up, and your friends were also able to work with you and help you. That makes my heart so happy. You all did very great. Now, tomorrow, super quick, again, just like your little pre-test, our little activity. We don't like to use tests that much in here because that's a scary word sometimes. So, quick little pre-assessment, just to show Miss Payton your knowledge already. Anyway, tomorrow, quick worksheet, we're going to do the first one together tomorrow. There's already an example completed for you. All it's going to be is for me to see if you guys did well with understanding. I think that the partners really helped, and I'm really glad that helped. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the first one real quick, just so you guys have a heads up. We have a dime, which is worth how much? Everyone? 10 cents. Penny, which is worth, show me on your hand, 1 cent. And for the last one is a dime. Show me on your fingers. How many? 10. All your fingers are in the air. So when you can write these down tomorrow. When you add these all up, it makes 16 cents. Good time. And in your head, you can sing your song. We can sing our song. That 1 penny is worth 1 cent. 5 pennies is worth a nickel. And a nickel is worth 5 cents, you know. And I will be happy to play the song again tomorrow while you guys are working on this. Just so we can, because you guys really did like the beat and everything, and it was pumped up, so it was really fun. I had a really great lesson today, and let's head out to recess.